Have you ever felt like the public has been fooled? Wool pulled over their eyes? Fucking bamboozled. Just by going with the flow of what they see through a news feed instead of investigating it? Like that game We Happy Few, which I currently do not own, but sometimes feel like I am playing, given how narcissism, violence, and drug usage is complemented around here, selectively by the police coverage, but not getting people classified or labeled under mental health like it actually should by the definition of clinical narcissism as a mental disorder. Like it is an actual public danger to clean people that avoid issues with authorities by having people out there lying in groups of Gossip Girl style flocks and not getting mental help, labeling, and isolation like they do for victims of depression, bipolar, etc. I'm kind of at a loss for words for this, to be honest. How are psychosocialites more likely to get work and be successful while being dangerous to the public than clean living, proven to be working driven individuals? Is society saying I have to get in with a group of dangerous narcissists and do drugs in order to have sustainability and success in Canadian life? Is the point of living here to see whose circle can lie and hide the most if you are to live peacefully? It kind of contradicts the idea of peace as a whole, because these dangerous people getting off the hook are making other people's lives unpeaceful through the above mentioned. But they somehow manage to have the authorities and public service as their friends and in their corner regardless of if there is proof pointing to them actually being wrong, factually. Again, it is like they are rigging a competition, so even if you behave good and stay focused on work or school, the people doing drugs who get the police coverage just win, and get to scumfuck you into looking bad like they, by police standards, should be, but magically just don't. Stay woke, because anyone is one trap away from being voted off the island here, no matter how kind you are and how much you follow the rules or look out for others. God bless, and keep the truth lit, even if they try to buy you out with police coverage or secret groups that act above the average and set others up for complex failures. It is a numbers and logic game when narcissists are involved, so don't trip others in your travels, friends. It's really double-sided and complex out there.